of you guys have been asking questions about the differences for Heracles and Weidemann, and I will show you today some of the differences. One difference is the price. This Weidemann is out on the market for 75,000 euro, and it's a really nice machine. Absolutely, I really like it. The difference with the Heracles, it is 35,000 euro, so it's a budget version of this machine from our brand Heracles. So we will test today the differences, the capacity of lifting, and also I will give a review what I think when I drive it and so on. And actually this is my machine, so I like Weidemann, it's really good, but not everyone has money enough to buy a Weidemann. So Heracles is the budget version. So first I'm gonna drive the Weidemann, and this machine is really nice. I mean, it's silent. I sit really comfortable here. It has a very nice visibility for the attachment, and everything is just perfect. This is 1,000 kilo that I'm gonna lift here. It's just a water tank filled with water, 1,000 liter. So with the Weidemann, it feels really nice. I'm just trying to make the wheels lift from the ground. It has really nice control of the lifting, and the sensitivity is amazing really in the joystick. Okay, so with full steering. So the Weidemann is rated to 1500 tipping load, but this model has extra weights in the back, so actually this one can handle more. I'm not really sure how much more, but I feel safe moving this around, and this is 1,000 kilo. I think if it would be 1,500 it will feel not as safe as it does now really. Then I would not be able to turn around as much as I did now. And if I would load this on a truck, there would be no problem. This is the first test between these two models. We will just test the pallet forks today, but I will put it to work with a bucket as well another day. Let's test our Heracles. So here we have our Heracles H280. It has the operating weight 1500 and tipping load is 1700. So let's try it out and see. Okay, so I'm gonna lift the same weight, 1,000 kilo, with our Heracles 280. So the hydraulic in this machine, it is not as sensitive as the Weidemann, but I think it's good enough. I can handle the water tank with ease. And I can feel for loading a truck, for example, it would not be a problem with this machine as well. And fully turned, also no problem. The biggest difference I think is the lack of low damping function, which we can add, but it's not on this machine right now, and also the noise level. That's the biggest difference. So that was our Heracles 280 compared to Weidemann. So I like both. If you afford, you would like maybe the Weidemann. If you want a budget version, this is really good machine. And yeah, if any question, just email us and follow and subscribe. I cannot say subscribe. 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 Subscribe.
Yes.
Yeah. Magnus subscribe. Please follow us and subscribe and have a good day.